So behind me is one of the most exciting boxes I've ever received, and we're going to open it up and then show you the difference between this camera and my brand new Sony A6400. Let's switch over to this top-down cam and get opening it up. Now, I still am waiting for the lens, which has not arrived yet, but let's just get this open and out of the box. We have all the paperwork here. That's going to be useful someday. And then also power cable, the strap, the viewfinder little eye thing, a battery for the camera, another power cable, and a USB cable. Now, this is the main body itself. The Sony A6400 is the 16 to 50mm stock lens. Now, I don't know about you, but I think this camera is going to produce some amazing looking video that you will shortly be seeing as soon as I have the lens for this thing. It does have the 16 to 50mm stock lens, but I've got a low aperture lens on the way. As soon as that lens arrives, you will see the switch over in 3, 2, 1. Now, this is being filmed on the Sony A6400. It is 4K, and it might be a little bit blurry, and the colors might seem off, but this is my first time using this camera, and I hope it looks as good as I think it does right now. I'm looking at it just under it in OBS, but I guess I'll find out when I'm doing the edit, but hopefully 4K me looks good. That's pretty much the end of this video. If you want to check out the lens I'm using, it'll be linked in the description. It's a pretty cheap, low aperture 32mm lens, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.